You can buy every shiny AI tool out there, but if your team doesn't think in an AI-ready way, nothing changes. Let's talk about how to build the mindset that makes AI adoption actually work. AI readiness is less about technology and more about culture, encouraging experimentation, curiosity, and learning. When your team views AI as a creative partner rather than a threat, innovation follows naturally. 1. Start with exploration, not perfection. Give your staff permission to experiment with tools like ChatGPT, Claude.ai, or Notion AI. Ask each department to find one repetitive task they could automate this month. 2. Reward experimentation. Celebrate small wins, like a marketer who used Jasper AI to generate ad variations, or an HR rep who used Otter.ai to summarize interviews. Innovation grows when trying new tools is safe, not scary. 3. Educate continuously. Use Coursera or LinkedIn Learning's AI courses to upskill your team. Assign AI learning as part of professional development, not optional training. 4. Document and share what works. Keep a shared AI playbook in Notion or Confluence listing which tools helped and how. Soon, your company builds its own internal knowledge base. 5. Lead by example. Use AI yourself. Summarize reports with ChatGPT, plan presentations with Tome AI, or draft proposals using Grammarly Go. When leaders model adoption, everyone follows. An AI-ready business isn't the one with the most tools. It's the one with the best mindset. Start small, learn fast, share results, and your organization will evolve naturally into an AI-powered culture.